Hello there and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Fiti Anan and today I'm going to be styling my hair into a low band situation. Do subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell so that you don't miss any videos from me, and if you like this video, don't forget to click the thumbs up button. So let's see what we're working with. I have freshly washed hair. I washed my hair about 2 days ago. It's taking 2 days to dry. It's not fully dry. I still have some wet strands, but that's all right. Just going to unravel these and okay. Yes, girl. Okay, fine. Let's be serious. I'll take these out. The roots were kind of deceiving me because it's all dry. Yeah, it's all dry in the roots, well. Still quite wet down here. Okay. This is what we have. Okay, so we're going to start in the back, and to style my hair I'd be using this hair gel with hibiscus extracts from WeNaturals. It's quite old, I've had it for a while. Yeah, still have a bit left. I have some water and then I have a brush. And this is it for today. I hope tomorrow it will be dry and then I can unravel the twist in the back and I'll show you what it looks like. This is day 2. My hair is dried. Yeah, actually I think it's fully dried. And we are going to a naming ceremony and that's why I'm all dressed up. And that's why I need to style my hair, so. Ooh. Sleek. Yeah. I'm just gonna unravel these twists. Have some shea butter, some whipped shea butter that I made. So use that to oil my hands. Actually, oil this a bit so I can just be. Hey, this deceptive hair. The hair is still damp. It's not dry. Yeah. It has the whole day to dry anyways. I'll be out. It's going to shrink up. Oh. Yeah, this is looking like a fail in a way. Okay, most of my hair is damp. I don't know, it takes about 2 days for my hair to fully dry. Anyway, I know what it looks like in the back. I was hoping it would be nice and stretched, but clearly not. And because it's damp, it's definitely gonna shrink further. So, well, let's see what it looks like in the back. Oh my god. I do like the fonts though. I'm liking what I'm seeing. So this is the end of the video. You see the final look. It's dry all here, but it's still damp at the ends, and that's okay. It's gonna dry over the day, and obviously it's going to shrink, but I hope it just gets bigger for some reason. I don't know, I'm just keeping my fingers crossed. So this is the look. If you like the video, please don't forget to click the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and enjoy the rest of your day.